6.3. The next step is multiplying binomials. 6.3. Remember, binomials have two terms. So you're taking a two-term expression and a two-term expression and you're multiplying them together. Alright? So, to multiply binomials, distribute each term in the first binomial to each term in the other binomial, then combine your like terms. They suggest using the FOIL method, first, outer, inner, last, just to make sure you distribute everything. You're welcome to use the FOIL method. It's kind of self-explanatory. Multiply the A by everything in the second part, multiply the B by everything in the second part. But honestly, if you just tell yourself to distribute it to everything, it's the same thing. I'll show you what I mean. Alright, so remember your invisibles. Alright, so distribute this to this. Alright, so x times x, x squared. X times 4 is 4x. Alright, so I did this and this. Whoop, just messed that up. Do it again, but do it with the second term. This times this, and this times this. Then combine your like terms. X squared in the front, 4x and 2x is 6x, 8 in the back. You're welcome to use their FOIL method until you get used to do it, because it's really easy to miss one of them if you're not being very careful, right? But the truth is, you're just distributing everything to everything else, right? Invisibles, 2x squared negative 10x plus 1x minus 5. Like terms, 2x squared minus 9x minus 5. Right? They're making it harder than it needs to be. And that's okay. That's what they do. Right? If you like the FOIL method, if you know the FOIL method, if it works for you, awesome. I'm just saying it's not necessary. If you have other ways of doing it, as long as you get from here to here in the same way, like if it makes sense, if you can explain to me the math that got you from here to here, we're good. And find each product. Final answers must be in standard form. Y squared plus 1y plus 8y plus 8. Y squared plus 9y plus 8. I'm going very fast because this is the same steps for the last lesson, right? So if you skipped and cheated on 6.2, you're going to be screwed on 6.3 because it's the same steps. Okay. X squared minus 4x minus 10x plus 40. X squared minus 14x plus 40. X squared plus 12x minus 7x minus 21. 4x squared plus 5x minus 21. 9x squared, no, y. Woo, almost done. 9y squared plus 6y plus 3y plus 2. 9y squared plus 9y plus 2. 24 h squared, right, invisible ones, negative 8h, negative 9h, positive 3, 24h squared minus 17h plus 3. The best part about math is once you get one part, it applies to the next part. It's not something you get and forget. It's something that you get and then use. So it's like being rewarded for learning it, because you can use it again and again and again without having to relearn it. Be careful with you when they start mixing your variables. Remember, be careful. Invisible, 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 invisible. 5x squared minus 5, invisible, xy plus 4xy, remember, alphabetical, right, minus 4y squared. Interesting. X comes before y, so we're going to keep 5x squared at the front. We're going to make it negative xy. Combining these two, y comes next, negative 4y squared. R squared minus 2rs alphabetically plus 2rs minus s squared because they're invisibles. Our s's will cancel out. You're left with 4r squared minus s squared. To the second power. That means it repeats itself, right? It just itself times itself. Right? X squared plus 4x plus 4x plus 16 x squared plus 8x plus 16. Could you have figured it out from this? Absolutely. That takes a little more practice. Just a little more. All right, again, it repeats. 2m minus 5 times itself. So we have 4m squared minus 10m minus 10m plus 25. 4m squared minus 20m plus 25. Binomial times a trinomial. So this time we have a 2-term times a 3-term. Same rules apply. Don't panic. Just slow down. Pause, think about it, take your time, right? The steps aren't what's going to get you. It's the basic math that gets you, because you start rushing and you forget about the basic math, and the sign gets you. The signs, watch your sign. Find each product, the answers must be in standard form. All right, slowly, step by step, let's do this. All right, invisible, invisible. X times x squared, x to the third. X times 3x is, don't forget your operator, plus 3x squared. X times negative 6, negative 6x. 4 times x squared, positive 4x squared. Positive 4 times 3x, positive 12x. 4 times negative 6, negative 24. Right? Like I said, slow down. Watch your signs. Like terms. Highest, x cubed. Then x squared. 7x squared plus 7x squared plus 6x minus 24. Nice and patient, right? Nice and patient. Step by step, checking my signs, making sure that I'm highest exponent to lowest exponent. Take your time. $15 a to the third plus 6 a to the second minus 18 a to the first plus 5a squared plus 2a minus 6. Combine your like terms. Highest exponent, 15a to the third cubed. 6a plus 5a squared is 11a squared. Negative 18a plus 2a is negative 16a. Negative 6. Slow and easy, people. You could do this all day as long as you were calm and patient. Because it's the same steps. As long as you're calm and patient, you could do it 50 times. And why would we need to know something like this? Right? Find the area of the shaded region as a simplified expression. So let me give you a scenario, a what if. All right? What if you're a carpet layer? This is the floor in the house you're carpeting. The shaded part is where the homeowner wants you to carpet. There is a room in the way. They don't want that carpeted. Just the surrounding area. You, as the carpet layer, have to pay for the carpet first. Do you buy carpet that covers this whole thing? No, because you can't get your money back, right? You have to buy the carpet that only covers the shaded area, which means you need to know the area of this box, right? Box A, right? The area of this box, box A, and you need to know the area of this box, the inner box. You need to know the area of this box. Let's call that box B. Right? You need to take this off of A. So you need to take off B. So that you can only buy the carpet for the gray area, which is C. You buy the carpet for the whole area, you pay $1,000. You carpet the room, you only made $700. Because the customer's not paying for that. You are. Unless you can figure out how to buy just enough carpet for the shaded area. Which means you need to find the carpet for the whole area, the carpet for the B area, and you need to subtract them. So that you only buy just enough carpet to make your money back. That's just real world, people. Good luck. Evens are yours.